We are coming up to Moser Pass on the 7 Mile Bridge, which is up there. See the gap that we're going to go through. And there are like 100 birds just flapping around in the water all around us. And got no idea what's going on, but they're just all flying around, getting out of our way. Quite strange. I don't know what's going on, but they're, like I said, they are like everywhere in the water here. They look like they're cormorants. They look like they're all cormorants. Anyway, the boat's bouncing around a little bit. Anyway, pretty cool.